VGG16. The previous session I explained about deep learning. What is deep learning session? I told about transfer learning theoretical. That is what is transfer learning. Or we need transfer learning, and what are the steps to build for uh, transfer learning. This is the one. If I'm going to start from the scratch. If you want to kickstart the project in this transfer learning, the video will be helpful for you. Today I'm going to show the demonstration in Google Colab only. If you have a dataset, you can try. So here I'm going to add VGG16. So Keras, you know already, is one of the open source library where provide a Python interface for machine learning, or you can say about any ANN network. So we are going to add, and VGG16, the upcoming session will explain some other day. VGG16 here now is one of the familiar CNN model, and also up to date we are representing using somewhere for a computer vision model, where is one of the best classification algorithm also. And also with the help of VGG16, what we can do, we can classify the 1000 object with 1000 classes easily. That is possible. So again repeating, VGG16 is one of the type of CNN where we are going to implement with the help of transfer learning. With the Keras, we are going to just train and test it, validation and everything with a given dataset, and also already downloaded and kept in the Google Drive. So here first I'm going to call the packages from Keras.layers import lambda dense flatten and so on, then import model, then I'm going to call VGG16 and so on, then I'm going to import warnings if necessary, then I'm going to set all the image sizes here 224 comma 224 like that, all the images like that from the dataset. Then I'm going to mount from the Google Drive, then I'm going to list out, then I'm going to train with a train and test. Here I'm going to take the data of Hymeno Hymenoptera data, where here have some is training, where is a value, and I'm going to call I'm going to conduct the coding where writing from PL import image, then I'm going to write creating object, then I'm going to call the folder where train. Here from the data there will be instructions will be there. I'm going to take out of the bees only, so I'm write it like this and follow the import OS and directory also. Then import OS and set the file path. So this, if you have any data set, we can modify here based on this coding from the scratch. You can do anything. Then if you exist, it will continue, otherwise not. And I'm going to write the code only these files where I'm giving the condition f or f in OS list direct folder of and so on. Then I'm going to give image examples, then I'm giving the for loop also where I want display some images. So I'm writing the code like that: display image display of file name folder followed by only b's of I comma with height like that. So with this relevant width and height, the images will be shown here. That is from the dataset to take 18 images and those to display like this. The bees, what are the bees in the dataset like that, variety of bees. So simple one. And due to network delay, network problem not executing because already executed and saved here. Now I'm going to call the VGG model where I'm taking the VGG16. Input shape is image size followed by image net and also weight and input of false. Then sorry, it won't be there. Yes. So won't do that. Then I'm going to call the folder where set the training data. Then I'm going to print it. Somebody say length of the photo is 1 only because you know if you go data set you can go train, test and evaluation, validation also. Then I'm going to create the model where with the help of VGG only. So I'm going to give model, then it will generate like this block up to 5. Then you to say trainable parameters and non-trainable parameters. Then from Keras I'm writing the import optimize default code for printing anything. Then train data gen where we can get the accuracy also. At last image generator using pre-processing and rotation. These are helpful for do the operation the image data set. And testing, test also we are writing the code where we are giving the measurements like this, very simple and easy. Then train set where we are giving the target size of already told in the previously 224 only. Then it will give like this, it will say around 18 images belong to the two classes of like that. Then test set and following, if we go for test set at last print found 153 images belonging to the two classes like that categorical. And from we are writing the from date time import date time checkpoint we are writing callback and for execute everything where we are calling the my model.h file. So if you want to implement transfer learning with Keras everything, we in dataset, the dataset would be mounted with the Google Colab, sorry Google G Drive. Then we can go ahead everything. At last we can for training, find the training completed time. So we are writing the code duration, date time dot now, then start, print the training completed in time what. So at last it gives the result like this. Training completed in time, that is 13.6783 and so on. So already I told you about transfer learning with the fine tune everything. So upcoming session will say some other implementation also. I hope that you understand how you can work with the transfer learning with the Keras. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.